Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Inmotion Climber e-scooter. This is going to be an unboxing video and a product overview. So let's get into it and let me show you what this package brings inside. So you have your toolbox and your power adapter right here. Here's the scooter itself. These are extra tubes for your tires. So the way that you put it together, you're gonna take out the cord right here and plug it in to this plug. There's one way to put it in, so just align it up and you plug it in. And then you just fish this down so you could install the stem. And once you have it like that, you're gonna take the screws out of the toolbox. It has two Allen wrenches. Here's your kickstand. And this tire inflator and your outlet plug. And then you're going to install the screws right here on the stem. Next, I'm going to install the kickstand, which is going to be right here. There's two screws for the kickstand. And now it's already put together. So let me show you the different features on it. This is how the scooter looks. This is the front display. You have your bell. You have your brakes. This is your turn signals. This is your throttle button right here. This is where you attach it right here. So for when you fold it. So here's your power button to turn it on and off. If you touch it again, the light will go on. You can see the light right there. Touch it again, the light turns off. Here's your turn signal right here. Other side. That's how the front looks. The wires. You have your inflatable tires right here. See, they're there. Here's your disc brakes. And has a nice wide board. So this has the dual motor. So it has two motors, front and back. So it's very powerful. This is where you charge the scooter. There. It even has front reflectors. And even the rear deflector also. And side deflectors. And the way to fold it, you're gonna push this down, lift this up, and it comes down. And then you're gonna bring the little clip so it could catch it. And now you're able to bring it anywhere with you. And to redo it, you're gonna lift it up and then put it back in place.